Hello friends, this is Harsh here. I'll be your Vconnekt tour guide today. So once you're inside the app, you will see a learning feed recommended for you. This is uh, this learning feed gives you all the resources related to the skill that you want to learn, which you chose while registering on Vconnekt app. You can always change what you want to learn by going into your profile. Okay, and from here, what do you want to learn? Currently, for me, it is chosen as physics. So I'll see all the physics related resources there. So I can just click on here and just say probably I want to learn. So these are all the hints, for example, what you see here. Okay, but you can type your own. So I say, I don't know, sorry, mathematic. Yeah, say mathematica. So now my feed will adjust itself based on that. Okay. The also if I do not want to change it permanently, my feed, learning feed, I can just click on this search and search for any other resources. Let's say I want to find marketing related resources on Vconnekt. I can just click here, and now what I see is marketing related resources. So what Vconnekt does is goes around all over the web, find good learning content from various different places and brings those resources to you in one learning feed, so that you don't have to do the hard work of finding good content. Okay, so these are this is recommended for you. I just clicked on cross. Now my original feed will come back, which was related to mathematics. The second tab that you see is my collection. Okay, now this is the feed that you see over here is dynamic. This can change anytime. If I, let's say, find something interesting here, it is better that I save it in my collection by hitting this plus collection button, just how I did now. Now if I go to collection and refresh my feed, now see this resource has been added to my collection. Okay, and I can always come back to it later. So this will not go away, this will always stay here. I can delete this by clicking on delete button, but it will always stay here. Recommended for you. I'm not sure that it will be visible to you tomorrow or not, because this is a dynamic feed, it changes. In my collection there is also a log button that you see, which is open right now. So when it is open, anyone who follows you can see what is in your collection. If you want to hide it, you just click on this log button. Okay, now see the lock is closed and it says item has been made private. Now even someone follows you, they will not be able to see your collection. But if you follow someone, like here, in collection of people you follow, I am following admin, and hence I can see admin collection, whichever admin has made public. So whoever you follow, if they have made their collection public, you can see it. And this is one way of learning from experts, because when you follow experts on Vconnekt, you can see what is in their collection and find good content just by following them. And your friends can also recommend resources to you. Okay, when they recommend some resources to you, you will see it over here. Or some experts can also uh, recommend some resources to you. Another thing about my collection is, so you can add to your collection from the recommended for you feed, but you can also add it from anywhere else, from a web, by just copying and pasting a link here. You can use YouTube. If you like something on YouTube, you click on share on YouTube and choose Vconnekt from there. You can add YouTube videos directly to Vconnekt like this, or you may use this Google option to add to your collection. So let's say now if I wanted to learn marketing, so I can just click on this marketing here, and now Google is giving me a lot of resources. So if I like something in particular, let's say this one, marketing investopedia, I can just click here, and on there I can click plus collection. Now it will be added to my collection. From Google straight away, I can also share it with my friends on WhatsApp by clicking on the share button or recommend button and recommend it to people on Vconnekt. So if I go back, let's see. Now this item should have been added to my collection. If I refresh it here, now see, this one has been added, Investopedia, to my collection. So this is quite handy. Second tab that you see on mentoring is, here you see all your relationships, mentoring relationship or course relationship. This will only come to use once you have got into some mentoring relationship with an expert, or you have enrolled into a course. Okay, you can see your recommended mentors here as well on top. you can check out their profile. The third tab is where you can take a lot of quizzes. So every night on Vconnekt there is a quiz that comes along. If you take that quiz and do well, you can also earn some cash. Every quiz has a cash prize attached to that Vconnekt quiz. Okay, like here, so it says coming soon. It will be visible. It will come live only at 9:30 and only for a couple of minutes. So use that um, time to take this quiz. So if you are just someone who likes taking quiz and trivia questions, or if you're trying to improve your GK because you're preparing for some exam, this is a good way to do it and also earn some cash. And mentors also keep adding some quizzes onto the mentor quiz section. You can take those quizzes as well. Okay, similarly you can play games on Vconnekt. All these games are not only fun playing, but they also help you improve particular aspect of your learning. So memory game helps your memory, logic game helps your logic building, English and number game are self-explanatory, and any game that has a coin icon attached to it, okay, that game has coin linked to it, in a sense that if you are in the top 25 scorer of a day, you are eligible to receive some coins. Okay, so you not only have fun playing, you improve your particular skill, but you also end up earning cash. So all this cash is given or rewarded in terms of coins. You can see your coin balance here. So whatever you earn, different activities that you do on Vconnect, you get coins, and you can redeem these coins to cash by clicking on redeem coins and give your phone number, because it is transferred to your Paytm. Make sure that this phone number is correct, and that is how you can redeem your coins. Okay, leaderboard is where you see who is leading the different games. On top left you also have Vconnect courses. Here you see all the courses which have been published by Vconnect experts. There are two types of courses: the courses which have live sessions, which is where this type of course will run between two dates. You can only enroll in these courses until the start date hasn't passed. After that, it will not be available to enroll. The other type of courses which has video recorded content and some study material, that will be available to be enrolled anytime. Okay, all courses will have a forum created for those individuals who have paid and enrolled. They will also be able to interact with each other through forum, and will also be able to interact with the course creator. Okay, so these are really very specific courses which will help you improve your skill and achieve whatever you want to achieve. Basically, build a successful career. Okay, search is, you can actually search Google search. I've already talked about. You can also search for people on Vconnect just by name or by skill. So if you wanted to find a marketing expert or a Python expert, you can just type skill here. Let's say if I type Python here, it will give me people who are an expert in Python. So here comes all the list. Okay, inside the three dots you have other options. So profile, you access your profile by clicking here. If you receive any messages, you check it in your messages. If you have some questions, you can post those questions in Q&A forums and experts can answer it. If you have enrolled into the course, then assignment and everything else will come to use. Job is another section where you can keep looking the job posted by the community, Vconnect community. There is also refer and earn. If you invite your friends on Vconnect and they enroll using your code, then you also are eligible for some coins. Okay, so I think that is about Vconnect. Happy learning and happy earning on Vconnect. Thank you.